everyone. The purpose of this video is to walk you through the steps of creating a multi-page PDF. During weeks 1, 2, 3, and 4, you will be downloading new images each and every week. And as a result, part of the assignment requirements are that you create a multi-page PDF of any new images that you use each and every week. So for example, week 1, you're going to come up with 6 images of objects for whatever theme that you have chosen. Per the assignment requirements, you will find 6 images. When you go out onto the internet, the first thing you want to do, let me go ahead and load my browser here. I want you to go to Google, for example, and go under images and create a search for high res. And for my theme, I'm going to use marbles. And I want to walk you through this for a moment, just in case you'd forgotten this small little detail about what I stated in live chat. What you're looking at here is a single marble, for example, and you can see that it's 168 by 168. That's very, very small. And if I click on it, you will see that it is very, very small. It's not a good image that you will want to use. You can't enlarge it because then it becomes pixelated. So what you need to look for example, now obviously this is a picture of the Earth, but it would be doable. It's over 500 pixels by 500 pixels. So this is not bad, but could be better, okay? This particular image, 590, it's okay again, not the greatest. But I know that there are a lot out here that are high res. Let's see what this is. 500, again, not bad choice. But you have to be careful because you don't know how it's going to react until you go to enlarge it, if you need to enlarge it. I want to see, let me run a different search here. I'm just going to do marbles. And I've selected images. See if my selection is different. There we go. We have a variety here. Now, here you see one that's 724 by 482. This is a better choice. This is what I mean by high res. The larger the size, the better quality the image. This one, 400, even though this is a great picture, it won't work. Okay, so be careful on how you select your images and which ones you select. But in doing so, the one thing you need to do is when you've selected an object, now this one is pretty cool. This is 900 by 1200. So I know that it's going to be big enough and that I should be able to enlarge this image. So the first thing I want to do is go ahead and right click. I actually don't want to use this particular image because it has a watermark. And that means it is copyrighted. It means that it belongs to someone else. And you literally have to go out and get the permission for it. Okay, but let's backtrack. Let's go choose another image. This is pretty cool. This is 1200 by 852. Another good image. Looks good. And I'm going to click over here on the full size. And what you want to do is you cannot copy this. What you need to do is right click and save the image as, and create a folder on your desktop for your images. And I'm just going to select this and save it into my marbles folder. And that's done. Okay, so basically what you want to do is make sure that you save every image you download to your desktop and into a folder. For mine, I labeled mine by my theme, and it's called marbles. So the next thing I need to do, as required for each of your units, 1, 2, 3, and 4, you need to create a multi-page PDF for any new images that you use every week. Okay, so for week 1, you're going to have 6 images. Week 2, you'll have 3 images. Okay, you don't need to keep including the images that you used in week 1. That's what I'm trying to say. Okay, so each week will be different, but you will need to create a multi-page PDF. And what you need to do is this. You'll need to open up your Adobe Acrobat Pro. For PC users, go under your Start button, go to all your programs, and see if you have Adobe Acrobat Pro on your computer. It cannot be Adobe Acrobat Reader. This will not work. If you do not see it, if you cannot find it on your computer, you need to go back to your disk, the original disk, and install it onto your computer. Mac users, same thing, but it should be okay with Mac users. Doesn't seem to have that problem so much as it does on a PC. So anyway, likewise, open up Adobe Acrobat Pro. I've got it on my taskbar over here that you cannot see, but there you'll see it in the top, in the menu bar, okay? And so what I'm going to do at this point is, what I want to do is go to File, Create PDF, and I want to merge files into a single PDF. This is what you'll be doing each and every week, okay? What's really cool from this point on, everything you see here works the same for both PC and Mac users. No difference, no changes, okay? So up here, you'll see Add Files. Now, if I don't have all my images in one folder all by themselves, it's not a big deal. I can choose Add Files, and again, Add Files, and direct it to the folder I have on my desktop. And if they're all together, it's real simple. Just select the first one, hold down the Shift key, select the last one, and all of your images are there. And then just say Add Files, okay? I'm going to remove those. Another option is to go to Add Files, and if they're mixed with other files, all you need to do is select the first one. On a PC, you'll use the Control key. On the Mac, you'll use the Command key and hold it down and select your 6 different images, okay? And say Add Files. The other really cool thing, I'm going to remove this again. The other really cool thing is if you do have them in a folder all by themselves, it makes your life a little easier, because all I have to do at this point is say Add Folders. So I'm going to select my marbles, it's already selected, and say Choose. And there's all my images. I'm going to say Combine Files, and what you're going to see now is Adobe Acrobat converting each of the files into the PDF format. And it's creating a multi-page PDF. Okay, one of the files was not a good file, so let me take that one out. So if you get any errors, make sure that you, there. Now I'm going to try it again. And watch your bars, watch everything going successfully, or if you get an error. There, and it's done. So next you'll get this Save As option up here. Put in your last name, week 1, IP, and save. And that's all there is to it. Thank you so much. And what you can see here, sorry about that, what you can see here now are all the pages. There's 19 pages. I have 19 images in here, but this is how easy it is to make a multi-page PDF. Thank you so much.